Hi everybody, we are opening up a box of 1995 Pinnacle UC3 Baseball. This one was kind of torn already, so I decided to open it up and see what it's like. This box is humongous. It's got this lenticular thing on the front of it. Oh man, what the heck's going on here? Okay, we got another cardboard insert to protect the packs. Oh, it looks very nice. It's 36 packs, 5 cards per pack. You got Cyclone Squad, In Motion, Clear Shots, and Artist Proof. Here are the odds. So Artist Proof looks like they're 1 per box at the rarest. So maybe we could pull a nice one of them. Alright, I can already tell that the cards are like bent. Not bent, but curved. Which isn't too bad once you just put them in a... They'll probably just go back to normal. Once you... Well, the very first pack. Mark Grace Artist Proof. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright. These are nice, and I really like these cards. Alright, let's take a look, see what else we get. A Cyclone Squad insert of Don Mattingly. Let's see the discs like turn in the back, which is cool. What's that other insert we're looking for? In Motion and Clear Shot. There's another Cyclone Squad. This one of Tim Salmon. There's Hideo Nomo rookie. Not sure if that's worth anything. Here's In Motion, Will Clark. Kind of goes to a full thing from 4 pieces get put together, it looks like. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Another Cyclone Squad. This time of Mike Piazza. Put him with the phones. There's only 4 cards in our pack that time. Got put into this pack. That was our 5th card from the last pack, maybe. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we got 6 cards in this pack. One snuck from our last pack into that pack. Another Cyclone Squad of Matt Williams. Are you supposed to pull that many? What were the odds on Cyclone Squad? Oh yeah, 1 in 4 packs to get a... I don't remember how many packs were in here. Oh, we got a clear one here. Clear shots of Phillips. Honestly, don't know who that is. And I swear to you, I was a Giants fan back then too. Card's pretty awesome because you can like see behind it while it changes. It's pretty awesome. Future Hall of Famer Phillips. There's Cyclone Squad, right? There's 2 Cyclone Squads in this pack. It's weird. It's Kenny Lofton. We're going to try to get the whole subset in this box. And Bobby Bonilla. Still being paid by the Mets. Bobby Bonilla. Why is there like 9 cards in this pack? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 7 cards in this pack. But there's another Cyclone Squad. It's one of Joe Carter. So that's our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th. Our 7th one. Oh, another clear shots here of Tucker. Michael Tucker? Chris Tucker? Another future Hall of Famer right there, Mr. Tucker. Clear shots, Jeff Bagwell. I mean Cyclone Squad. I messed up what it was called. I don't know how, because there's like 5,000 of them that I've gotten already in this box. There's another Hideo Noma. Set him down. Probably maybe worth $1. That would be my guess for Mr. Nomo there. Here's In Motion Ken Griffey Jr. Pretty cool. Put him there. Couple packs left. There's the Grifster right here. Cyclone Squad. I haven't seen one of these yet. Frank Thomas. There's Phillips. It's J.R. Phillips. Rookie. That's who Phillips is. J.R. Phillips. And last pack of the box. Kind of disappointing. I thought we'd end with another Cyclone Squad. Well, I think our best hit of the box is definitely the Mark Grace Artist Proof. Then I'd say the In Motion Ken Griffey Jr. Well, let's go through our Cyclone Squads. Frank Thomas, Joe Carter, Bobby Bonilla, Kenny Lofton, Matt Williams, Mike Piazza, Tim Salmon, Don Mattingly, Jeff Bagwell, and the other couple inserts back there. Thanks for watching.